What's up, coconuts? Welcome to today's video. I'm Leah, and today I'm going to be showing you really quickly how I went from being ombre with like ashy brown on top and platinum on the bottom to this. I did this myself at home. It cost me about $7 because I only used half the products that I bought from Sally Beauty, and it took me about 45 minutes total, including like washing and everything. So if you are interested in how I went from this to this, please stay tuned. So I'm just like mixing between the two colors. We've got Praline over here and then Carmelo over here. And I'm just using the same brush because I kind of figure we sort of want the colors to mix together anyway. Hairdressers out there might be like, bitch, that's not how that works, but we are about to find out. It is Wednesday afternoon. I've been having a terrible day and I've been wanting to change my hair for a long time, and I actually just saw this picture of Julia Roberts like a couple weeks ago, and I was like, oh, okay, that's it, that's the picture, that's what we're doing. So I'm just gonna like, oh, that was dumb. No, I just mixed all the colors together. Whew. What is going to happen? Now I gotta start on blonde. I gotta work really quickly because it's going to really soak up. Wrong one. Is that the right one? Oh, this really wasn't my best idea. So I think I want to keep like maybe a few blonde pieces around the face.
I want you to show me how to get to know someone like you, someone like you. I want you to know me, 'cause I know then you'll see we could be true, we could be true. I want you to see what I see in us, something so real, something so real. I want you to see that.
Okay, so it has been on for a total of 15 minutes. So on the box it says a total of 30 to 45, although the gal at Sally was like, you probably won't need the full 30 minutes, definitely not 45. She's like, do you have any gray to cover? And I was like, yeah. And she was like, they're barely noticeable. And I was like, bitch, I love you. But she was also like up to here on me, and my gray hair's up here, so she wouldn't have seen that. But anyway, I will check in like every 5 minutes or so. We'll see how the color is, and then we'll wash it out. Wish me luck, y'all. All right, so we are at the 25-minute mark. I'm like creeping up on kind of the time that you're supposed to leave it in. So I think I'm actually just gonna go get ready to wash it out because I don't want to leave it in for like any longer than I should. And it says like 30 minutes. Oh, sorry. See, my timer's going off. I'm watching Say Yes to the Dress. I'm all distracted. Okay. See, when you're depressed, you watch Say Yes to the Dress and you change your hair and you leave messes in the background. Hey everybody, it is the next morning. Hair is 100% dry and curled and straightened a little bit. You know the drill. And you know what? I am like super, super happy with it. It definitely didn't turn out to quite like the orangey tawny sort of color that I was expecting, but I think it's really beautiful, and it turned out somehow like pretty evenly. There's still a lot of blonde left in it, so I don't feel like it's the most drastic change. So I'm actually super excited about it. So like I was saying in the car, I am super happy with how it turned out. I was super nervous, but like I said, I did do a lot of research. I asked my friend who's a hairdresser. The gal that I spoke to at Sally Beauty's was super knowledgeable. I looked up lots of swatches. I kind of had a really good game plan in mind. Apart from how to keep the colors separate, that just seemed to work out in my favor. Thank you, universe. But apart from that, I really had put a lot of thought and effort into it, and I did have a picture to go off of. So if you're feeling like doing this at home, if you're feeling gutsy, go for it. But just do your research first. Make sure you know what you're going for. Make sure you understand your hair type. Is your hair dry? Is it curly? Is it porous? How much color is it going to take? What kind of developer do you need? These are all things that are really, really good to think about before diving into it yourself. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you enjoyed this hair transformation as much as I did. Give this a like if you liked it. Maybe go check out some of my other videos, and I will see you next time. Aloha. The other thing, my dogs? Okay.